decided to renovate this particular house was that it was stuck in the 1980s. So everything in this house was in its original condition, from the floors to the wallpaper, everything. So it needed to be gutted out and redone. Started looking around and found Vancouver General, and that was sort of the beginning. The woman that I worked with listened to every single thing that I wanted. She knew the colors that I wanted, she knew the design I wanted. We talked at length about everything that I was looking for. So when she actually gave me the design, it was what I picked. Like, it was one time. It was a one-time design, exactly what I wanted. My favorite part of the house now, I would have to say this living area, because this was the part that got the biggest renovation, having this wall taken out behind me here, this closed little kitchen, and opening up this space and this view. This all comes together to make this my favorite spot in the house, definitely. And then in my kitchen, the original design was like 4 banks of cupboards. It was just not a great functional space. This design has everything in its place. It's just a fantastic little workable kitchen. So I love that. I don't know, I just love that. I would recommend Vancouver General Contractors, and working with Hussein has been the best experience. So that would be a good recommendation for me.